What if time could stop? Not completely, but just enough to preserve something for thousands of years. Throughout history, scientists and explorers have discovered objects, creatures, and even people perfectly preserved, frozen, hidden away by nature. These discoveries give us a rare glimpse into the past, a moment in time that never faded. But some of these frozen discoveries are more than just historical. They are mysterious, unexpected, and sometimes difficult to explain. Today, we explore ancient discoveries found frozen in time. Welcome to Forgotten Earth. 1. The Iceman, a man from 5,000 years ago. In 1991, hikers made an incredible discovery in the Alps, a human body frozen in ice. At first, they thought it was a recent accident, but scientists soon realized something shocking. This man had been frozen for over 5,000 years. Known as Ötzi the Iceman, his body was incredibly well preserved. His skin, his clothing, even the contents of his stomach. Scientists were able to study how he lived, what he ate, and even how he died. He carried tools, weapons, and supplies, giving us a detailed look into life during the Copper Age. It was like discovering a person frozen in time. 2. Frozen mammoths. In the icy regions of Siberia, explorers have made another incredible discovery. Frozen mammoths, massive creatures that lived during the Ice Age. Some of these animals are so well preserved that their fur, skin, and even internal organs remain intact. In some cases, scientists have even found liquid blood. These discoveries allow researchers to study animals that disappeared thousands of years ago. But they also raise a fascinating possibility. Could extinct species one day be brought back? The idea sounds like science fiction, but it's something scientists are actively exploring. 3. Ancient seeds that still grow. One of the most surprising frozen discoveries isn't an animal or a human. It's a plant. Scientists have discovered ancient seeds buried deep in frozen soil. Some of these seeds are tens of thousands of years old, and incredibly, some of them still grow. In one experiment, scientists successfully grew a plant from seeds that were over 30,000 years old. This suggests that life can survive far longer than we thought. Frozen, waiting for the right conditions to return. 4. Frozen cities beneath ice. In some parts of the world, entire landscapes are hidden beneath ice. Glaciers cover vast areas of land, preserving whatever lies beneath them. As the ice melts, new discoveries are being revealed. Ancient tools, structures, even traces of past human activity. In some cases, researchers believe entire settlements may be hidden beneath the ice, places that have not been seen for thousands of years. What else could be hidden beneath frozen landscapes? And what happens as the ice continues to melt? 5. The permafrost mystery. Permafrost is ground that remains frozen for thousands of years. It acts like a natural freezer, preserving anything trapped inside it. But recently, scientists have made a concerning discovery. Ancient bacteria and viruses have been found preserved in permafrost. Some of them are tens of thousands of years old. As the Earth warms and the ice melts, these ancient microorganisms could be released. It's a reminder that frozen discoveries are not always harmless. Sometimes they carry risks we don't fully understand. 6. Frozen animals in perfect condition. Beyond mammoths, many other animals have been discovered frozen in incredible condition. Wolves, horses, even small creatures like birds and rodents. In some cases, these animals look as if they died only recently, but they have been frozen for thousands of years. These discoveries help scientists understand ancient ecosystems, but they also raise questions. How quickly did these animals freeze? What events caused such sudden preservation? 7. Hidden history beneath glaciers. As glaciers melt, archaeologists are uncovering objects that have been hidden for centuries. Tools, weapons, clothing, even ancient pathways. These discoveries reveal how people once traveled, hunted, and survived in extreme environments. Each object tells a story, a moment frozen in time. But the melting ice also means something else. These discoveries won't remain preserved forever. Once exposed, they begin to decay, which means we are in a race against time to study them. Conclusion: frozen discoveries give us something rare, a direct connection to the past. Not just fragments, but moments preserved almost perfectly. They show us how people lived, how animals survived, and how the world once looked. But they also remind us of something important. Time doesn't always erase history. Sometimes it preserves it, hidden beneath ice, waiting to be found. If you enjoy exploring ancient discoveries, hidden history, and mysterious finds, subscribe to Forgotten Earth, because the past is still out there, waiting to be uncovered.